Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. So in today's episode, I'm in a different location. Okay, I'm actually in Colorado visiting my sister, the Garcias, and what we're gonna be doing is I'm cooking actually with my niece. We're gonna introduce her to the show. She's gonna be on a couple episodes. So stay tuned guys, this episode, you do not wanna miss it. So Isla, so why don't you go ahead and introduce yourself to everyone and let them know how long you've been cooking for.
I'm 9 years old and my name's Isla and I've been cooking for 15 years.
Yeah, she has a lot of experience, okay? Very deadly with a knife. So what are you gonna be making today?
I'm going to be making a giant snickerdoodle cookie with marshmallow fluff frosting.
I can't wait for this. This is a recipe that's been in the Garcia family for what, like 3 years?
Yeah.
So. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and show you how to do it. Isla's actually gonna make it, but first we actually need to get Isla into her little cooking outfit. Testing 1, 2, 3.
Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Just put in the rest of our ingredients and mixed it all up, and now we just patted it down to make an 8-inch circle, and now we're going to put it in the oven to bake.
So Isla, should this be a really dry consistency or should it be kind of loose and wet?
Kind of loose and wet.
Awesome. So how long are we actually going to bake this for?
We're going to cook it for about 10 to 12 minutes until it's nice and brown, crack in the center. I'm adding some sugar and maybe some cinnamon to get it nice and sugary. Now we're going to be putting our snickerdoodle in the oven. And we're gonna cook it for 10 minutes. This is one of my favorite cookies, so I'm gonna go nuts over this cookie.
So it's burger time. We're gonna turn on this this beautiful Weber Genesis, okay? We got the gas on. Oh, I heard that. Oh, beautiful. This gas stove, you guys, is awesome. And I've actually been blessed to have the opportunity to cook on it. So I have some people watching me right now as I'm filming, but that's okay. All right, so we're here in the beautiful Rocky Mountains. It's a little smoky, but we're gonna make some burgers. So check out these buns, Isla. These buns are very nice. We just went to a bakery and got them. And what bakery was it called? Rocky Mountain Bakery?
Yeah.
Yeah. So when I toast my buns, I don't want them super dark. I just want them toasted because that's gonna hold my burger together. Isla, I think you're actually gonna like this burger. You excited?
Yep.
Very good. Almost done here. Oh my God, I'm burning my skin off my hands. There's my assistant right here. Wife's bringing out some beautiful burgers. All right, guys, so I want you guys to see what we did here. So we took some ground beef, we made little balls, and we actually flattened it out onto the sheet pan and made these little flat burgers. So check out this right here. I put a little bit of Lowry seasoning on it. So let's go ahead and put this on the grill. But first I'm gonna pan the grill because I don't want it sticking. We're gonna take these burgers, we're gonna put them on the grill, and we're actually gonna cook these about 90% of the way until they're almost done. So what we're gonna do essentially is cook all the meat on one side almost all the way. Right when it starts kind of getting gray and almost cooked all the way through, we're gonna flip it over once, top it with cheese, and then it's gonna be done. And literally we're gonna have that for our burgers. Haven't actually tried this before, but I know that this is gonna be good. This is gonna be called the Rocky Mountain Goat Burger.
No, Rocky Mountain Smash Burger.
This is gonna be the Rocky Mountain Smash Burger, okay? And we're actually gonna be topping it with some tomato, some chopped lettuce, and it's gonna be unbelievable. So again, it's starting to cook, starting to go. All right, so these burgers are almost completely done. Let's go ahead and take a look at this. And then what I like to do is flip all these patties over. I'm gonna put a piece of cheese on them, So the fire's kicking it. Look at that. So now what we're gonna do is those burgers are pretty much almost fully cooked. A little pink in the middle, just how we like it. So I'm gonna take them off. So check this out. I'm gonna do a double patty right here. Okay, that's one burger. Singles for the kids. This one's almost done. All right, Leanne, those are gonna be done. All right, let's get real here. So Cohen's plate, beautiful. He has a beautiful little flat patty, very simple. What's the taste test? Yes, he likes it. How about Isla? Isla took a couple extra bites, but that's okay. Yes, okay. Now it's time for the adults. So far, it's been a success. It's a lot harder actually filming with multiple people, but we're gonna get this going. So this burger looks amazing. I just wanna try the salad real quick. Lindsay threw together this quick little salad. Let's just see what it's all about. It's unbelievable. Potatoes. I have a lot of judgment towards my sister. We have a competitive battle, but those are like the best potatoes I've had in 50 years.
Wow.
Okay?
Yeah, in 50s.
Now this burger, it's pretty substantial. I don't know how this is gonna go. I'm gonna unlock my jaw. Look at that. Pink.
The snickerdoodle
Look at that.
cookie.
Looks awesome. Different, right? This looks a little different than when you made it in California, but it's okay. It's altitude. Okay, so we're gonna take a little bite. Go ahead and do a taste test. So I've never had this before. Now, one thing to note, we did change the recipe a little bit. So it's a snickerdoodle cookie, and we added a marshmallow fluff
Fluff top.
with added sugar frosting and then vanilla. Let's see. Let's give it a shot here. Needs a little bit of milk, but that's pretty good. Giant cookie. So now we're gonna go ahead and enjoy this separately in their own little worlds. But guys, it was a fun little episode. A lot going on, huh? Mm-hmm. Do you think it's a lot harder than it looks?
Yes.
Yes. So you guys, we're here for a couple more days and we're gonna be doing a bunch of videos. So stay tuned. Can't wait. You wanna say bye?
Bye.
Bye.